Alright, hello everybody, welcome to Echoes of Color with Jeffery Morrison. How's it going? Alright, we're gonna do a whip and chat tonight. Yeah, I was distracted most of the day, but here we are. Okay, we're working on Diamond Art Club's Frosty Forest Friend by Donna Gelsinger. Alright. Diamond shaped square, 19.7 inches by 26.4 inches, 50 centimeters by 67 centimeters. Alright, and 38 colors, and 2 ABs. AB stands for Aurora Borealis, and any color under 150 DMC is considered an AB. So 125 and 133. Alright. 3325 is the color I had last out. Had it last. English. Yeah. Does anybody else have a cracked open knuckles and all that? Yeah, you'll see that. My hands, that's all it is. It's because of the weather, the cold weather. My skin just, yeah. My skin just does that because it's a thing. So that's all it is. I put skin cream on it throughout the day, but for having to wash my hands all the time. At work, it just creates issues. It just, skin opens like right back up. It's scary stuff. Alright, I think, okay. Working on capital E here, 3325. Okay, let's get the rest of these drilled out, because I think I have extras on the side here. Oh yeah, yeah, plenty of this. Tons of E. Alright, so hopefully everybody's doing good. Had a good day. Alright. Somewhat fresh wax in here. Alright, I just gotta figure out where I was last. It's been a couple days. Been like 3 days. Okay, I'll work in here. Alright, so yeah, no matter how much skin cream I put on my knuckles, they're just gonna break open again. Sometimes start to bleed, but yeah, just from the winter weather and wearing gloves now, just, I don't know, it prevents further cracking, or just kind of gives my skin a break for a bit while wearing the gloves, I guess, but I think irregardless, yeah, once the skin's broken open, and since your knuckles are basically a joint, yeah, they're just going to be open through the rest of winter here. Yeah. Oh well. I haven't really, like, noticed my knuckles being this open, or I just don't remember. It's one of those things I just, like, phase out of my mind, but yeah. Just seems to be really aggressive this year. Oh, genetics, I guess. Yeah, thin hair. Yeah. Oh well, what can you do? Yeah, I don't have to wait until I get much older to have gray hair. I already have it, so it's spread throughout my scalp So, yeah. Gray hair be fun. Nice little wisdom tinsel or whatever. Wisdom strands. Oh well. Now, get a haircut, the gray disappears for a bit, and then hair grows out, and for the most part, yeah, my hair is falling out. Pattern baldness or whatever. Wearing headphones all the time. But if I'm listening to like 3 or so hours of music a day, it seems sometimes. Yeah. I'm wearing headphones. Yeah, because my taste in music varies greatly. Or I try to make it that way. I guess Betty White would have been 100 today, but oh well, she's 100 somewhere. Yeah, I remember seeing bits and pieces of the Golden Girls, because that's where I guess she's the most well known from, but that's just my point where I've seen her. Betty White. Oh well, rest in peace, Betty White. Still reruns of the Golden Girls, so no one's ever really truly gone, to be honest, really. She was an actress, so I've seen some social media posts about The Lost Valentine with Jennifer Love Hewitt. I've never seen it, but I've heard it mentioned a couple times. Yeah, I've seen it on social media. No clue what happens in that movie, but yeah, Betty White's in it. So, there you go. Somebody was watching it today to remember her. And I guess it's Martin Luther King Day, too. Yeah, just seen Martin Luther King and like thought nothing of it, but I just need those reminders every once in a while because of all that goes on in the world. I probably just see like a tip of the iceberg, like realistically. I don't see everything and don't remember everything. It's fun enough to remember what I did like probably like 2 hours ago. It seems to be enough of a challenge. Oh, just worry about right now, this present moment. Yeah, pretty much. Oh, hopefully everybody had a good weekend. I was at work. It was my weekend to work night. So, that's all said and done. I meant to diamond paint earlier today during the day, but we got a good snowstorm. And basically shoveled by our mailbox and the end of our driveway somewhat. I think I was just standing holding the shovel most of the time because of traffic, but there you go. Then my dad got his tractor out and cleaned out the driveway properly. I don't touch the tractor. I don't touch his tractor. That's his. I think I like drove it once, but yeah, I wasn't one. It's not one vehicle I get on, drive all the time. Yeah, that's not a thing. Right, so. I guess Diamond Art Club has a Garfield kind of holiday themed painting. Didn't realize they had done Garfield, but I think Miss Coffee unboxed it. One of her videos recently. Yeah, I think I saw a post about that. Yeah, I like Garfield. Pretty cool. Yeah, where's Calvin? Yeah. Once you start into comics, people want Calvin and Hobbes or Charlie Brown or something eventually. I'm sure that there's kits out there with Charlie Brown themed, but I'm not sure like they're licensed per se. But it could get custom of almost any picture really if you go to the right place, but not sure. If it would be ethical really to just get a custom canvas made up like that, but it is what it is. I'll just do licensed stuff on here. Hopefully licensed. But yeah, if there's like a kind of a stock photo or whatever that looks really cool, or a photo that you have permission to make a custom out of, yeah, go for it. Oh, if you talk to the artist and they're like, hey, can I diamond paint this? That's totally different, I guess. If that's a thing, why not? For all the pictures that I have liked on Pinterest, oh man, I have quite the gallery of canvases for sure. Really nice anime stuff or fantasy stuff. Really cool artist rendered landscapes and all that. Yeah, no, I'm sure if you ask an artist, like source their material and all that, and explain that you diamond paint, I'm sure they'd appreciate it. That sounds like a worthwhile extra effort. But, yeah, I think some people just get a canvas made up and they're like, yeah, okay, I like this picture, so yeah, going to do it. Haha. Okay, there you go. That's up to you. No, people are gonna do what they're gonna do, but oh well. But I know it's an issue that comes up every now and then, copyright stuff and yeah, unlicensed. Yeah, it happens. It's a real thing. I have mentioned it in the channel for sure. It certainly is an important topic, but yeah, mixed feelings for sure. Yeah, there is like something with like the Legend of Zelda or something. Like picture with Link in it and the Temple of Time or something. Yeah, I'd love to do that kind of thing. Oh, fan art, but oh, there's a Super Mario Galaxy diamond painting out. Some diamond painting company or another. Oh, there's stuff out there. Like, what can you do? Somebody's gonna make it. Somebody's gonna make these things. Whoops. Did that drill fall off? Not sure if it fell back in the tray or not. It's like new wax. Well, relatively new wax. Yeah, I know that it's a mixed issue with the copyright images and all that for diamond painting. Yeah, it's always in the back of my mind. Yeah, I do have respect for it. Yeah, I just don't want to stir up needless havoc, really. Yeah, I'd rather just diamond paint. just rather have something that's licensed and diamond paint it. It's more fun that way without just feeling guilty every time I put a drill onto a canvas. It's like, I probably shouldn't be doing this canvas. But that's up to the individual diamond painter. And yeah, I make videos for YouTube, so yeah, I have that to kind of think of as well. I do appreciate all the subscribers and the support, so no matter what my subscriber number is. So just a few people hanging out and watching my videos. Yeah, that's awesome. Just another individual who likes diamond painting and just engaging with the crafting community. Meet tons of people or interact with hundreds of people a day. Well, hundreds might be a little exaggerated, but not like chatting directly with them, but liking their posts and social media. That's kind of what I mean. Well, I do reply to comments. I don't get hundreds, but I do appreciate the comments that I get. I don't know, why not? People who watch my videos spend time out of their day to watch them, so hey, if I get a comment or two, yeah, I can reply back when I can. Yeah, that's pretty important. So yeah, well worth the time. Yeah, everybody's well worth the time. All have a purpose. So there you go. I don't know, even if you just say hi in a comment, hey, it's all good. Thanks for hanging out. I've stumbled upon other content creators or kept hearing their names mentioned. And yeah, check out their channel. For sure. Can't watch every channel or like every video, but Yeah, it's really nice to see unboxings and stuff. I'll always love seeing unboxings and watching WIP and chats. Yeah, it's just I can't diamond paint 24/7, but hey, somebody in a video is, or a live. Not really one for lives. They're hard to catch. Sometimes, yeah. Can't say I've watched the live in a while, but WIP and chats and unboxings for sure. Whichever ones I can catch. Yeah, it's all good. I don't know if that's like a tab or what's going on there. Let's see what it does. I don't know, just seeing the scope of artwork that's out there, like canvases and other crafts, yeah, it's amazing. It's just lovely to see. Yeah, canvases that I want eventually, or would love to have, and seeing somebody else unbox it and be like so happy that they have it. Yeah, that's a cool experience as well. It's kind of like you're opening the canvas with them. Kind of that feel. Yeah, just like the viewpoint of seeing something like brand new to you, at least. Even though it's like a canvas that's been out for a while. That will be quite a few of mine. Canvases have been out for a while. I don't have like relatively like recent past year kind of canvases, but I could be probably stand corrected. I did do like a stash kind of video for Diamond Art Club, what I had at the time. Yeah. I have quite a few, but being able to name them off now, I'd have to look through my stash and just jog my memory, because I don't have a list or anything. I just have them stashed under a quilt frame over here, because my mom does quilting stuff. We sell quilting supplies and all that through the home business that I'm not a part of. But yeah, I have tons of canvases. But yeah, as I keep saying, I'm trying not to do constant Diamond Art Clubs. But yeah, this was winter themed, which I just kept telling myself while doing Night Horse, the Treasure Studios art canvas before. I kept telling myself I'm going to do something winter themed. And yeah, I'll do that a lot. Kind of plan a canvas ahead while I'm working on my current WIP, so you'll probably hear me mention it a few times. Hopefully that's not too annoying. I'm going to do a Dreamer Designs canvas next. Yeah, be a fairly large one. But it's a kit that I kind of wanted for a very long time. And yeah, kept selling it. So yeah, this is probably like the only winter themed canvas you'll probably see at this point in time. Yeah, winter up in here in Canada can go to like probably March or April. Or it could probably snow in May if it was cold enough. Yeah, their winters are kind of a suggestion. have a range from like November to March maybe, but yeah. Or October. It snowed in October before, but yeah, it doesn't snow around Halloween. Or the snow doesn't stay during Halloween in the fall. But yeah, Mother Nature really doesn't abide by a calendar. If the conditions are right, then we'll have a snowstorm, and then the next day the snow will melt away and it will be like a thunderstorm instead. So I don't think we can really just get away with like following a calendar in the 4 seasons. I think nature's going to do what it's going to do on its own accord. It doesn't have a day planner. Yeah, this is a section with, I usually mention where I'm working. About the 3rd row, how I count it. And this is part of the snowman's body here. And the scarf, well, yeah, pretty good range with the camera here. But yeah, a tree, face of a deer that's just staring, that creeps me out, but I'll live with it. It's not creepy, but like just things staring at you, like right directly at you in a picture, yeah, just has always creeped me out. Yeah, I kept joking that there's a Diamond Art Club canvas with a black and white cow in it, in a field of sunflowers, and the cow's like staring right at you. I'm like, not ever going to get this canvas, Dad. Isn't that creepy? He just laughs at me. I don't know, stuff just staring at you in a picture, it's just, whoa. Just like right at you, judging. It's like, this deer is judging me and my life choices. Mommy, the deer's staring at me. Okay, honey. Don't have nightmares now. Okay, dear. Yikes. Meanwhile. Oh, hi, Jeff. Were you trying to sleep? Too bad. I'm here and I'm going to stare at you in this dream. Ha ha. Got up in a cold sweat. Oh my gosh, that deer was so creepy. Just staring at me. Deadpan eyes. Oh, hi. Just standing here because it's fun. Yay. Yeah, okay. Yeah, gee, thanks. Tons of hugs. But not really. Lol. Yeah, not creepy at all. No way. Oh, this is a very beautiful canvas. Love doing it. Yeah, incredible stuff. Yeah, I just keep joking about deer staring. I don't know. I think it's the only thing that like stares directly. Yeah, the deer's the only animal in here that just stares directly at you. But anyway, we've hit 29 minutes, almost 30. So, you've been watching Echoes of Color of Jeffery Morrison. Down below in the description, I always put my Facebook profile name, first and last. My Facebook business Echoes of Color page. I always mangle that up. And my Instagram tag, handle. Just basically all three. I update very similarly with the same update post. whether I finish this section or I decide to do something a little different on the channel. Preview of the next WIP. Yeah, I do like an unboxing on the channel, then take a picture of the new next canvas, kit it up usually, and post it. But anyway, take care of yourselves. All the best with your crafting endeavors, and see you next time. Bye.